The word attention is derived from words meaning to stretch towards someone or something by directing the mind with consideration, courtesy, and care. And today it generally refers to taking notice of someone or something perceived as interesting or important. When we're not deliberate about what we focus our attention on, we disempower ourselves with an external locus of control, placing our experience of what happens at the mercy of our circumstances by default. And yet, when we are deliberate about what we focus our attention on, we empower ourselves with an internal locus of control, placing ourselves in control of our experiences by design, regardless of what may be going on around us. The question becomes, what are you giving your attention to, and how is it shaping your experience of the world around you?